FluoRender tutorial. Ruler animation for tracking in video. In this video, we demonstrate ruler editing over time for tracking features in a video file. Click Open Volume to open an example video file. FluoRender supports commonly used video formats, including MP4, M4V, MOV, AVI, and WMV. A video file is loaded as a time-dependent sequence of single Z volumes. For easy viewing and analysis, we recommend enabling rotation lock to prevent accidental view rotations. Also, disable alpha and set gamma value to 1 for all channels. Click the play button to start playing the video. Also use the plus/minus buttons and the slider to navigate frame by frame. We zoom in on one fish and use the ruler tools to track it over time. Play the frames of the video and observe the movements. To limit the frame range for playback and analysis, set the start and end frame numbers to 130 and 160 respectively. Rewind the video and open the measurement window from the main toolbar. Choose the pencil tool for creating multipoint rulers. Draw a stroke on one fish to trace its posture. The distance between ruler points can be adjusted from the settings. Increase the distance value so that fewer points are created by the pencil tool. Go back to the measurement window, delete the recently created ruler, and draw another one. Notice that the points on the ruler are sparser now. A non-transient ruler is displayed in all time points. The locations of its ruler points can be modified over time to make an animated ruler. Press the D key to advance one frame of the video. To modify ruler points, use the Move tool to translate all points altogether, or the Edit tool to translate individual points. The Magnet tool can be handy for moving points around. A single click of the Magnet tool moves the closest ruler points under the mouse cursor. Click and draw a stroke with the Magnet tool, move ruler points sequentially to the stroke. The Magnet tool also preserves the distance between ruler points when they are displaced. The ruler point distance setting also influences the stroke drawn by the Magnet tool. Decrease the distance value to make the Magnet tool more responsive. Advance to the next video frame and repeat the process to relocate the ruler. The Magnet tool is useful for making local adjustment while preserving lengths. If the modification is applied to the entire ruler and its length needs to be modified too, the Redraw tool can be more useful. The Redraw tool is used similarly as the Magnet tool. Ruler points are redistributed along the new stroke. And the ruler length can be easily adjusted too. We keep using the Redraw tool to modify the ruler for the remaining video frames. Replay the video after finishing all frames within the range. Notice that the ruler moves along with the fish. To export the ruler point locations, go to the Script tab and select the Script Ruler Info. Click Save to export the video and run the script at the same time. Upon finishing the script, it prompts to save the location information in a CSV file. Save the CSV file and it should be opened by the default spreadsheet editor on the operating system. Further analysis can be made using the CSV file.